Hello guys, this is Ashwin and I'm up for this video on Windows software Tansee iPhone Transfer SMS. What this software basically does is transfer all the messages on your iPhone to your PC. So let's get started. So here's my iPhone. So first let's see the messages. We're in a messages app. Here you could see all the messages. Let's keep it aside. Connect your iPhone. Open this software and wait for some time. So as you could see, all the messages on your iPhone have been successfully transferred to your PC, and it's displayed on that software right now. You can check the messages. Another impressive thing about this software is it has got the user interface of an iPhone, iOS. You could see this. Click on copy right here. You can save the messages either as a ANTS file or as a text file. Okay, let me first save it as a text file. Browse. Let me keep it on the desktop. Let's open it. Here it is. It comes with every detail here. The one you received from, the date and the time. Now let's close this and try to save it as ANTS file. The difference and the advantage of saving it as an ANTS file is that you can password protect your text messages. Here's the option to enter a password. Let me give some password. Click on OK. Okay, you can find it here. It asks for the password. Okay, and the message is up here.